Hey there everyone, I'm Talha, and in this video I'm going to show you how to create a Kanban board in Google Sheets. If you're currently overseeing multiple projects and you find it overwhelming at times to keep track of each project, you can use a Kanban board to make the process much easier. Many project managers use Kanban boards as well. So, first of all, you're going to create a table with the following headers: date to note down the date when the project started, project name to note down the name of the project, task detail or project detail to note down the details of what the project aims to achieve, the assignee to note down the current person overseeing the project, the current status to note down the current status of the project, and a comment section for you and the assignee to leave any comments related to the project. Next, you're going to create a table that you can name whatever you want. In this case, I've named it other values. This table will contain the variables that we're going to use to create drop-downs for the different headers. For the status table right here, let's paste some random data. For the status table right here, we have 4 different statuses: backlog, to do, in progress, and done. And we have 4 different team members right here. We can create drop-downs using these values for each of these headers. First, let's format our table. I'm going to format up until cell 15. Add alternating colors and click done. Then I'm going to add borders and done. Now let's create drop-downs for the different headers. Select all of the headers right here and go to data validation and click on add rule and click on drop down from a range. Then we're going to select the range with the current statuses and then assign a color to each status. Now click on done and then click on add rule again. In this case, we're going to apply this to this range right here. And we're going to select drop down from range again. And then we're going to select the range with the team members. Let's assign colors to each team member. And then click on done. Next, let's create 2 sample projects. Let's add the date. And add the project name, create video, and edit video. Then we can add a project detail, create a video about Kanban boards, and edit the Kanban boards video. Then we can select the assignees for each project and select the current status for each project. Next, we can also add comments here, or the signee can add comments to each project. And that's how simple it is to create a Kanban board in Google Sheets. I hope this video was useful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe.